Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Brianna Lauren here, and in today's video I have something new. It's always something new that I'm doing, but I just have something new that I probably thought I would never do. I dragged it, but I don't think I'll be doing like soon because I probably wouldn't feel comfortable doing it. But as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing a Pretty Little Thing and FashionNova clothing haul. Now, I don't really shop on FashionNova like that, but I really like Pretty Little Thing. They have a lot of nice pieces that I could put together. For the FashionNova, I only have 3 outfits, and for Pretty Little Thing, I'm not sure how many I have, but I know there's a lot. So for the first outfit, we have the mesh square neck bodycon. So this is what it looks like. I love this dress. I was gonna get the one with the spaghetti straps and the same print as this, but they didn't have it. The material is mesh, like you can see right through it. Only on the arms though. The body though, it has like a black under layer, so it's not see-through. And the top, it's like a square top, so like, you know, if you want to show a little cleavage, a little boob action in the front, you can just show a little, you know, something over here. This isn't long, like it's not long, it's very short actually. It's a little too short. I am afraid if I wash it, it's gonna shrink. So you could like hand wash this. I feel like this is hand washed because the material as well, like putting this in the washer and dryer is probably not the best thing to do in my opinion. So yeah, this is called the Petite Black Cotton Jersey Split Hem Leggings. This is a size 2. I'm pretty sure that's a size 2 as well. Like I said, that dress, it was short and it was just a little tight. It fit me just right, but I feel like just maybe go a size up. This is very trendy now, like the bottom is slit at the end, just a cotton black legging. This is the brown mesh leopard print runched bodycon dress, and this size was a size 2. Now this actually fit me good. Like I said, it was short, but like this was nice being so short. This is how it looks at the bottom. On the side, it like scrunches up and it has like a little tie at the bottom. If you're going on vacation, this would be perfect. It overflows at the top. It's just really nice. This is called the Black Jumbo Rib Double Zipped Bodycon Dress. This is how it looks. This is what the material looks like. If you guys could see like up close. It has like ridges on it. This is more of like a very tight dress. Do not wear this in the summertime. It is hot. Like this made me hot when I wore it. So as you can see, there's 2 zippers on here. I'm going to show you how many ways you can wear it. And it's short, but I love this dress because you can wear it any kind of way you want to. You can wear it like zip up. The bottom could be zipped up. It could be, you could wear it like it's nice. It's a good dress. Mustard oversized check shirt dress. I have this shirt. Wow, look at this shirt that I'm wearing, and look. This is like a dress. They said it was a shirt, but this is a dress because honey, this pass, oh, it is a dress. My friend asked me like what made you pick this up, so I just wanted to get out of my comfort zone and try something new, and I don't know, this just caught my eye. I feel like I could put something together and make it look good. So yeah, I feel like this you could wear different ways as well. You could wear it with the sleeves up, button the top, you know, you could style it your own way, put some jewelry together, fix it up nice. This, it has like little buttons at the top. guys can see, they have like little buttons at the top. The collar is nice. And yeah. This is called the White Hook and Eye Pointed Hem Crop Top. This is actually my favorite. Like, I love this shirt. I seen somebody wearing it and it just caught my eye one day, and you know, it was on PrettyLittleThing, so had to grab it real quick. There's buttons right here, real easy. But yeah, size was a 2. I'm actually gonna be wearing this in a week or 2 to a function. So if you have my Instagram, please be on the lookout because I will be posting a picture with this shirt on. Period. This is called the Brown Leopard Print Ribbed Long Sleeve High Neck Bodycon. I seen somebody on Instagram wearing it and she bodied that, and she had the link from where she got it from, and I just fell in love. Now the material is very, like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like see-through, but it's not see-through. But yeah, this wasn't too long as well. I just really fell in love with dresses and long sleeve dresses as well. And yeah, so that's all for PrettyLittleThing. Now we have FashionNova, which I have only 3 things because, like I said, I don't shop on FashionNova that much. So this is probably my most favorite thing on here that I bought from FashionNova. It's very short, but I feel like if I was to go on vacation or something, this would be perfect. Because, you know, when you're on vacation, it don't matter how short, honey. Let me stop. The leopard print is really, like, you know, haunting me right now. It is just called the Wild Dreams Ruffle Mini Dress. This dress is very short. I was thinking of taking it back and getting a small. I actually got an extra small. You guys can see. When I show you guys trying it on, you guys can see how it looks and like how short it is and what I'm talking about. There's like a V-neck and there's like a little clutch right here where you could put it together like that. The back, as you can see, is open. So your back is open. You have a string right here so everything can stay together. The arms are like very flirty, nice. Cute. It's real cute. So yeah, so this dress is like a nude. It's a really nice nude. This dress I don't really like that much on me. I probably liked the way the girl wore it and maybe thought it was gonna look like that on me, but you know how that goes. So yeah, this is a size small. I should have got an extra small, but there were only small, medium, and large. So yeah, as you guys can see how wide this thing looks, and look at my shoulder. Like, it's not even supposed to be an off the shoulder type of thing. There's no tag on here, but as you guys can see, it's like a little design. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, like a crisscross type of design. As you guys can see, like, I really like the long sleeve, the dress type of thing. Like, I don't know, I've been really in love with dresses lately, and yeah. Don't wear this in the summertime. This is more like a winter dress, literally. Lastly, we have this bathing suit, which I'm pretty sure you cannot go in the water with. It's just it's on the side of the pool, lay down on the beach type of thing, because I know damn sure you cannot go in the pool with this type of material. No. So this is, okay, yeah, you definitely cannot go in the pool with this. This is polyester. You cannot. No. It's called the Brown Sunsuit. This is the front. And this is the inside. This is like nice and soft. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you cannot go in the water with this. I will not be going in the water with this. So yeah. Period. I'll show you guys how I'll be rocking it, how it's supposed to be worn as well. And yeah. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Let me know if you guys want to see any more like hauls like this, because it's quarantine and all I've been doing is online shopping. I'm probably gonna do another one soon. I'm probably gonna do one with Shein because I've been looking at a lot of Shein clothing. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your bell notification on so whenever I do post, you guys will get notified. We're almost at 200 subscribers, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what can go beyond this, you know. And yeah, I'm sorry I keep going like this because, honey, I did my nails yesterday by myself. I did my nails by myself. Can you guys believe that? So I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it anyways, because I feel good about myself. Like, I look like I just got them done. I went to the beauty supply store and got the press-ons, and you know, got the nail glue, got a filer, everything like that, and I put them on. I just did them yesterday and they're actually doing good. So yeah, I just have to share that because I know there's a lot of this, you know, girls, when you get your nails done and you don't know how to act. I usually don't do that, but because I haven't got my nails done in like how many months now, 3, 2, I don't even know anymore. Yeah, so yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. A lot of things are gonna be happening next week, and I'm gonna be vlogging, doing a lot of things. So yeah, bye my lovelies.